Dude, he got him. Got him. So today, back at the river, got the beautiful Red Mountain right behind me. Time for today, we're chasing some bass. Today we're hoping to catch some nicer fish, get a big bite, but who knows, we'll see. Big fish just might not be chomping yet, and so if anything, we're gonna try and catch some fish. Hopefully there's some good fish. So I got a long hike ahead of me. Let's get to it and go catch some fish. Whew, soft right there. Man, that should totally be holding fish. Oh crap, that is super deep mud, like sinking sand type of mud. Whew. What do we have here? Is that a headlight? It is, and it's got all kinds of seeds and stuff growing in it. That's very interesting. It's like its own little greenhouse. Let's see if the worm produces anything for us. Oh yeah, there's ducks hanging out right next to us. I didn't even notice they came. Oh. Get lost, ducks. That's my spot. What are you doing? That's right, I told you to get lost. Oh, he did have it. We had him on for a little while, I think. Yeah, he like swallowed that thing. Woo! So we had to like hit that tree to finally get bit. Man, even smaller. We're going the wrong way. We need to hook him on to throw him on his bait. I need some bigger fish. Hey, at least we're catching stuff. Better than getting skunked. Bye, guy. 20 seconds of me cleaning the camera. Oh, there was a thumb. I don't know if, yeah, we still got him. We still got him. He was just swimming with us for a minute. I think he's a little bit better than the last dink we caught. Still feels like a dink though. Yep. He's just a 7-inch dink instead of a 6-inch dink. All right, so this pattern's working. Dude, like he was barely hooked. It didn't even go all the way through his lip. He wasn't coming off though. All right, that pattern's working. We're working it right along the outside edge of this grass line, letting the swim bait go down, and they're coming out and chomping it. Hopefully they've got some fat buddies out there, because this should hold some bigger fish right here. It should. Cool, cool. Fun little fish. Here we go. Woo! Hello, goodbye. Here he comes. You gotta be kidding me. I just snapped my line. He's still got the stupid thing in his mouth. I can see him. Wow, that thing snapped really easy. Crap. All right, that fish that we just missed is actually hanging out there still. We're gonna see if we can't coax him to bite again and maybe even get our setup back. We'll see. Might be good enough to... I don't even think he felt the stupid hook, honestly. It snapped so freaking easy. I was super surprised. He's still just sitting out there hanging out. Oh, I think he saw it. Yep, he's going for it again. Yeah, he's excited. Oh, just that natural instinct of his. He's like really wanting it, but he stopped and thought about it for a second, didn't pick it up. He's still looking for it down there in the mud. He's like, oh, did it go away? The line might spook him. Like, I don't think the hook ever got him. I don't think it ever did. Weird. I'd really like to see if we could catch that same fish and get our setup out of his stomach. Dang it, now I got a tangle. Still hanging out there. Dude, he got it. Got him. We got the same one that we snapped off on. He definitely doesn't have it in his mouth still. He's got it in his stomach. Okay, guys, here we go. Here we go. Ta-da! Oh my God, that's the first time I've ever done that. Okay, hooked off, or had snapped off, and then caught the same fish and pulled it out of his... That's a first for me. That's crazy. That is freaking awesome. Sorry, guy, for going in your stomach. See what you eating. You got snails in your stomach there. Let's see if we've got our weight still in there too. No, he's eating a bunch of snails for sure. All right, that was crazy. First, there's always firsts when you're out doing stuff. He's just a little 7-8 incher. But heck, that was cool. That was fun. Thanks, little guy. Should we see if he could be an Olympic diver and make no splash? Oh, I think it's still too big of a splash. Thanks, guy. Have a good one. I gotta wash my hands off. His stomach was pretty slimy. Pretty gross. Ooh. Oh, got a fish. Nice. Nice, nice. We put us on a little jerk bait. Because all they were doing was nipping at the other stuff. Which that's all he did at this too, but hey, that's what happens when you put a treble hook on. Still the same size, but hey. Been a little bit since we've got something in, so I'm happy about it. That's pretty deep water. Oh, got him. All right. Little and feisty. Holy cow, he wanted that. Look how he ate it. Cool. Fish numbers. Welcome back to my face. We're gonna call it a day. We're losing light
and so it went behind the mountains, and I have like a 3-mile hike back to the truck, and we're probably not going to get back there before dark. To be honest, I was expecting more from today. We didn't get a big bite at all. The weather's just been so nice and warm that I was expecting a little bit better bite, but hey, we'll take it. Did have a first for me, snapping off, catching the same fish that snapped me off, and then pulling my bait out of its stomach. I'm just excited that I got the chance to enjoy this beautiful nature. It's awesome. So subscribe, stay tuned for the next episodes, and remember to get out and live a little. Peace.
I really don't think that these shoes are going to be lasting much longer. The sole is falling off. Well, guess we'll have to get new ones.